Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, this is Dr. Muhammad Iqbal again in your course Education Policy and Planning, MA Education Leadership and Management. Dear students, this is the second part of National Education Policy 2017 and this is my lecture number 20. Learning outcomes. At the end of this session, students will describe the targets and schemes of technical and vocational education. Targets and initiatives taken will be in literacy and non-formal education. Targets and initiatives stated by for higher education and steps will be taken for integration of ICT, physical and supports, public-private partnership, reforms in assessment, recruitment of teachers and financing of education, etc. So these were learning outcomes of this session. Dear students, now I will come towards the targets of education because I have discussed the goals and objectives of the policy in my previous session. So now I will come directly on the targets in various levels of education, various types of education. So first of all, technical and vocational stream. Increasing the enrollment ratio in science, technical and vocational education discrepancies. So reintroduce the quality of technical and vocational streams in selected schools at secondary level, secondary and higher secondary school level to comply with the national TAVETA standards. TAVETA is a Council of Technical Educational Vocational Training Agency. So establish trade schools at sub-districts and district level. So this was the targets of National Education Policy 2017 for technical and vocational streams. Literacy and non-formal basic education. Dear students, in public sector there is a largest system of primary education in Pakistan, which is comprising 1,51,000 primary schools. So it is a big system, it is a large system with a lot of schools. So buildings of public sector schools, colleges, training institutions, agriculture, livestock related to offices will be utilized for running literacy classes in the evening non-formal basic education programs. So this was the target to enhance the literacy and non-formal basic education by utilizing the buildings and infrastructure of primary, secondary, higher secondary, college and other institutions in the evening to enhance the non-formal basic education. So alternate learning pathways as well as open and distance learning opportunities shall be offered to 24 million out of school and dropped out children of age of 5 to 16 years. So religious education institutions including mosques, madrasas, churches and temples will be offered support for organizing of national non-formal basic education centers. Buildings of formal schools can also be used in the afternoon for non-formal basic education classes. Focus of literacy programs will be on young population of age 16 to 25 years. So federal and provincial area governments will allocate a minimum 5% of their education budget for literacy and non-formal basic education programs. Higher education. 10,000 PhD faculty will be prepared in 10 years through US-Pakistan Knowledge Corridor. Enhance the ratio of PhD faculty in the universities from existing 28 to 40%. Expand higher education to district level by establishing 150 community colleges to be affiliated with skill universities for preparing technical and vocational staff to meet the urgent need of skilled manpower. Number of public sector universities will be increased from existing 99 to 2015 to 195 by establishing 96 new universities by 2025. Projected number of private universities is expanded to reach from existing 76 to 105 by 2025, with total number of universities touching to the figure of 300 in the country. So this was the targets in the higher education. Now the other important target and salient feature of National Education Policy 2017, integration of ICT in teaching learning process school education. To enable the children to learn with ICT, to learn about the technology, and to provide elementary school children with low cost rugged laptops, especially designed for learning at elementary level. So to make available to the Pakistani students the ICT courses developed by Global IT Corporations with their collaboration, Microsoft Education, Mozilla Corporation, integrate ICT into the curriculum and devise alternative ways of assessment student work. Physical education, health and supports in education. National curriculum for health and physical education covers students for grade 6 to 12, whereas students from grade 1 to 5th are ignored. So there is need to prepare health physical education curriculum for grade 1 to 5 as well on modern lines, which should be stretched over life skills. So management skills, leadership skills, and individuals' personal skills like tolerance, patience, respect for others, time management, etc. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस लेवल पर कौमी निसाब में हेल्थ और फिज़िकल एजुकेशन को 6ठी से 12वीं जमात तक तो उसका ख्याल रखा गया, लेकिन 1ली से 5वीं जमात तक इसको इग्नोर कर दिया गया. सो इस पॉलिसी ने इस बात को फोकस किया कि क्लास 1 to 5 फिज़िकल हेल्थ एजुकेशन करिकुलम को रिवाइज़ किया जाए और उसे मॉडर्न जदीद दौर के तकाज़ों के मुताबिक बच्चों की लाइफ स्किल्स और मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स और लीडरशिप स्किल्स और इनफरादी पर्सनल स्किल्स के मुताबिक उनको, जैसा कि टॉलरेंस है, पेशेंस है, रिस्पेक्ट फॉर अदर्स है, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, उनमें उनको फ़रोग़ दिया जाए या उनमें कायम किया जाए, निसाब के अंदर शामिल की जाए ये चीज़ें, ताकि वो उन बच्चों में पैदा हो सकें. पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप. Dear students, it is a very important global phenomena. Actually, developing countries like Pakistan, unable to cater for the needs of all Pakistani, all national, all peoples, to provide education as a fundamental right and basic facility. So the government invited private sector to shoulder this responsibility side by side the public sector schools. So to promote regulated and monitored public-private partnership for educational development. So to improve coordination amongst public and private sectors, organization, non-government organizations, non-government donors, madaris, and all other concerned to offer uniform standards based on curricula and facilities. So improve programs such as Adopt a School program shall be continued. So at this level, government with the help of National Education Foundation to improve the quality of primary schools, announce a scheme, Adopt a School. So the individual people and organizations are invited to adopt a school or more than one schools. इसको जारी रखने का उन्होंने उसको इस प्रोग्राम को कंटिन्यू रखा गया और इस पॉलिसी में भी उसको, हालांकि ये 2009 की पॉलिसी में शुरू किया गया था. अजीज़ तलबा, आप जानते हैं कि जिस तरह के पाकिस्तान यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन ने डिस्ट्रिक्ट लाहौर, शेखुपुरा और अटक में 105 गवर्नमेंट के प्राइमरी स्कूलों को उन्होंने इसको अडॉप्ट किया हुआ है और वो इस तरह उनके नताइज को वो बेहतर बना रहे हैं और अपना बेहतर टीचिंग लर्निंग का माहौल फराहम कर रहे हैं. यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन ने एक डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ आउटरीच के तहत ये प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया हुआ है. तो इस तरह और बहुत से इदारों ने, प्राइवेट नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ने सैकड़ों के हिसाब से गवर्नमेंट स्कूलों को अपनी अडॉप्ट किया हुआ है और वहाँ वो उनको बेहतर फैसिलिटीज़ और वो फराहम कर रहे हैं और उसको बेहतर अंदाज में चलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Reforms in assessment and examination system. Dear students, in Pakistan, the reforms in assessment is a very old initiative which was also started into policy, National Education Policy 2009, and it also continued in National Education Policy 2007 to review and reform the assessment examination system to make it compatible with national and international needs of standards, to build the capacity of examination boards and bodies for scientific, valid and reliable assessment systems. So special scholarship examination shall be introduced for the students securing above 80% marks in the public examination of grade 5 and grade 8. Boy Scouts, Girl Guides and guidance and counseling. Dear students, in this policy, government also focused on Boy Scouts, Girl Guides or guidance and counseling facilities to organize and expand and activate Boy Scouts and Girl Guide movement throughout the country, utilizing their services in inter alia for safety, security, education in emergencies, promotion of literacy and disaster management, etc. To reinitiate and reorganize the National Cadet Corps in all secondary schools, to provide guidance and counseling services to students of secondary education and above. So سیکنڈری اور اس سے اوپر والی کلاسز میں گائیڈنس اینڈ کاؤنسلنگ کی سہولیات فراہم کرنے کے لیے انہوں نے اقدامات اٹھائے. سلیکشن, ریکروٹمنٹ اینڈ کیپیسٹی بلڈنگ آف ٹیچرس. Dear students, in the national education policy, government also focus on teacher training and teacher education programs. To update and strengthen existing teacher training institutions in terms of staff, logistics and facilities, to teach new degree programs approved by HEC, to prepare 150,000 new teachers with 2-year ADE and 4 years B.Ed honors programs offered by all provincial colleges of education and University of Faculties of Education and University of Education also. To introduce continuous professional development program for both formal and non-formal education teachers at all levels. This program was organized by the Directorate of Staff Development, Lahore. Now it has been changed in the name as the Qaid Academy, which started the National Continuous Professional Development CPD program for both formal and normal education teachers at all levels. Financing of education. Dear students, allocation of 4% of GDP for education and training effective 2018, allocation of at least 25% provincial education budget for quality improvement projects and programs, or 45% of educational budgets shall be allocated for primary education, 4% of education budget and adult literacy and non-formal education, 1% for special and inclusive education, and similarly specific percentage for all other subsectors of education. So non-salary budget allocation shall be increased to 25% of education budget, including 1% of the education budget for regular monitoring and evaluation. So this was the financial targets or financial allocations in this policy. Dear students, moreover, in this policy, some key areas have been also focused. So ideology-based vision and mission aimed at unity, faith and discipline. Character building through Taaleem, Tarbiyah and Tazkiyah. Holistic development of child, physical, social and intellectual, moral, spiritual and cognitive sphere of child development. So FECD, comprehensive early childhood education and development of 3 to 5 years age group children, asking priority to 4 and 5 year age group. So this was the key areas. Now detail some more key areas. Primary education, universalization of primary education grade 1 to 5, covering all 3 dimensions of universal access enrollment. Universalization, i.e. universal and access enrollment, universal retention and completion, universal achievement onset competencies. Elementary education, expansion of elementary education, middle level from class 6 to 8th, education through both formal and non-formal modes of education. Non-formal education, effective short-term non-formal education program to be developed and used to specify to speedily integrate the students in the formal education system of education. So non-formal education and ODL for secondary education, expansion of secondary level education through formal and distinct learning programs. TAVET, Introduction to Technical Vocational Education in Non-Formal Education. Technical educational streams, reintroduction of technical education stream shall with technical education stream, reintroduction of technical vocational stream along with science and humanities in selected high schools and intermediate colleges to prepare vocationally and technologically empowered human capital. So trade schools established after trade schools in each tehsil are for male educational times. Dear students, this is the year-wise allocation of GDP and GNP has been presented in this chart. It starts from 2006 to 7 and ends with 2.15 to 16. So first of all, the current 1,30,300 development 31,751 टोटल एक्सपेंशन कितने हो गए 1,62,000 रेट जीरो से इन 2007-8 जो करंट टारगेट है वो 1,55,622 एक्सटेंशन थी 32,003 1,87,000 So this year-wise allocation and targets stated the current in 2017 1,30,313 was increased up to 2015 to 16 to 2,30,880 and per capita income expenditure which were 1.7 point per person GNP in 2007 which increased 2.20 in 2015-16 budget. So this was the increase and every year about the targets and GNP or GDP etc. So this table is continued from 15 to 16. The current 5,46,969 current targets and 2015-16 or the total as of GDP 2.20 and in 2016-17 it was 640,000 and 144 years, and increase in GDP 2.38. And if we look into the target of 2024 to 2025, so it is 2,900 697,903. So this was development, and in the last 2024 and 5 financial year, the GDP of total GDP of was fixed 4% of GDP. So dear student, this was the second part of National Education Policy 2002, and I have discussed you in this policy about the targets of literacy and non-formal education, secondary education, higher education, and literacy and non-formal, and targets which were fixed in the years from 2005 to 2024. So this comparatively show us a very good phenomena. We will talk in some next session, inshallah. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.